A while ago, I found this broken piece of furniture at my uncle's place. He asked me, "Do you need it?" I had no idea what I would use it for, but I told him, "Not yet, but I'll take it." A year later, Zain arrived into the world, and shortly after, the idea finally came to life. I love chairs, so I decided to make Zain a rocking chair that he can use it when he grows up a little. The core idea was to use these curved pieces to make the chair rock. I taped the arcs together tightly, then took them to the table saw and cut them into the shape I needed. And of course, I kept the leftover pieces because I knew they would come in handy later. For the chair backrest, I had absolutely no idea what I was going to do. So I went through my collection of rescued materials and I found this old bed footboard. That was the missing piece. One night I brought out my tools and marked for cutting the backrest so that it's narrow at the bottom and a little wider at the top. This is something so aesthetic so that the backrest doesn't look so solid. After that, I sanded and cleaned it properly, then made 2 cuts at the bottom edges. Using 2 small wooden pieces, I created side slots where the backboard will sit in it. The cut was not perfect, but I knew how to fix it. A little sanding later and it was ready. The backboard slid into place nicely, and with some glue and broad nails, it was secure. Then I took it to the workshop and cut a small opening at the top, so it would be easier to carry the chair around. I had some Ikea wooden bed slats. They already had some slight curvature. I tried to straighten them, but I couldn't get them perfectly flat, but they were usable. The slats cut to measurement, I've taken 2 pieces to make a kind of chassis for the seating piece. With some glue and brad nailers, it was secure and ready for the seating piece to be installed. Then I installed the seat structure using glue and brad nails. Then I took the backrest piece and screwed it to the base. Now the back and the base had become one solid piece. To give the chair extra strength and stability, I added a couple of wooden slats to pull both arc sides together, so the base becomes more strong. Then I installed the seat board itself and made the final cuts to be shaped like this. Remember the leftover curved pieces from the table saw? Those became the armrests. Few screws, some glue, and we were done. Or so I thought. Wait. Everything we built turned out to be physically wrong. The chair was not stable and it was too difficult for Zain to use it, so I had to remove the entire top section and redesign it. The issue was the backrest. It was too heavy, and because I installed it toward the back, the chair's natural position became like a rocking horse that always leaned backwards. I won't take you through the correction process because I was almost crying the whole time while doing it. After the redesigning, this is the final result. Now Zain can use it happily without any assistance. The only thing left is the painting. Which color do you think I should paint it? Tell me in the comments and follow for more DIY projects.